everybody. Got some more Brilliant Stars, and I did a trade. Got 3 Jumbo cards. And a Charizard, no, Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres tag team card just for a Charizard Breaks and GX promo, which I think is pretty cool. Came off relatively easy. Oh crap! All right, I saw the code accidentally. I'm gonna start not looking at the code. Dark, Morgrim, Claddle, Executor, Magmar, Staryu, Burmy, Sock, Cherubi, Versalucha. Yes! This is one of my chase cards. Woo! Zarude V. Nice hit! Time to add this to the binder, which I have right here. Adding this to the binder to join Cinderace V from Fusion Strike and Full Art Galarian Stunfisk V. Thank you for watching. I don't like saying this, but I want to gain subscribers, but please like and sub. I don't want to say it, but yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Alright.